Right that.
What is up, guys? Back again with another tutorial. So this time we're gonna do a fake silent shot. I've never showed you guys how to do a regular silent shot, but I'm gonna include that into this video. So it's gonna be like kind of two shots in one, but we're gonna be focusing on the fake silent shot. And big shout out to my homie Vera. He is the one that actually taught me how to do this trick shot, and you guys are gonna see in the video. I'm gonna add a little bit of commentary from him as well on how he explained it, and then I'm gonna go over it again with you guys. And I'm gonna try to hit it in a trick shot. So hopefully we can hit something today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and all of Vera's socials are gonna be down low in the description. He's got Twitch, Twitter, and YouTube, so make sure you guys go onto all of those and drop him a follow or a sub. Let's get straight to the video. What up, Vera? How you doing? How you doing?
Yo.
What's up? What's up? I'm ready.
Chilling, bet. All right, so this is how you gotta do it. I'm very bad at explaining it, so just bear with me. Okay, so it's, what do you play on? Xbox controller, right?
Yeah.
What's reload? X, right?
Reload is X, yes.
X. Okay, so it's X, shoot, throwing knife. You gotta do it really quick.
That's it? X, shoot, throwing knife?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, and then you can actually shoot your throwing knife right after.
Yeah, if you want to. But the bullet doesn't register, so you could like I don't know, make a combo with it. But you don't shoot, but...
So could you do two at once?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, like two, like back to back? One, two, and then silent shot? Like for real?
Yeah. For real, yeah.
So like this, two fake ones? That's kind of hard.
And then a real one.
Two fake ones? Oh man, I can't do two fake ones.
Yeah, it's pretty hard. Yeah. But that's how you...
I'll probably just stick to one. Oh,
nice.
You have to have a bullet unloaded, right?
Yeah, at all times, yeah.
Okay.
So you could do like a combo. You could do like a...
What a pinch?
Like a zoom load. Oh, pinch, my guy.
My guy. How you doing?
You could do like a zoom load into like a fake silent shot, and silent shot. That'd be like a nice combo.
Yeah, I see.
And then you could plug in the zoom load video. You feel me?
Yeah. Okay. W ideas, Vera. Let's go. You make your own YouTube videos, right?
Yeah, but not like tutorials. I give it to you.
Yeah,
You're very good at explaining it.
Well, we about to link Vera in the description, so if you guys don't have him subscribed to already, hit him up. Thank you, Vera. I appreciate you, man.
I got you, brother. Peace.
All right, so to do the fake silent shot, let's start with a real silent shot first. So to do a real silent shot, all you have to do is make sure you have a throwing knife. You can pretty much do it with any equipment, but we're gonna focus on throwing knife. All you have to do is when you shoot, pull out your throwing knife immediately, like that. Your screen will go kind of sideways and tilted, and in kill cam, you're not actually gonna be able to hear the intervention sound. It's just gonna be silent. But your shot does register. So to do the fake silent shot, it's the exact same thing as a real silent shot, except this time you're only adding one more button. So it'll be X, right trigger, right bumper. And just remember, when you are doing a silent shot, you have to hit right bumper like really quickly after you shoot. You don't want there to be a pause. You want to do it like right after one another. And so to do the fake silent shot, you're gonna have to make sure that you have at least one bullet empty from your clip, hit X to reload it, and then do the silent shot. And see, it didn't register. It's a fake one. Yeah, that is how you guys do the fake silent shot. Let's try to see if we can do this in a trick shot. I have no idea what kind of combo I'm going to go for, but we are going to make something happen. Hopefully, I'm only going to be live for another hour. So if we can hit this within an hour, that'd be really cool. And since I'm talking about me being live, make sure you go over to twitch.tv/Stize with 2 H's and drop me a follow there. It would be greatly appreciated. I'm going to leave links down below in the description from all my socials as well as Vera's. Oh, that's it right there, man. Oh, Blossom Law hit. Let's go. Is he in the chat? Let's see it. Oh, that was sick. You watch me in game really quick? Yeah, I got you. Yeah, dude. I love that spot too, bro. Keep doing it from there. Dude, that looks so good, bro. I can't imagine what it'd look like pre-cam with the wild scope. This is how you guys do the fake silent shot. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. If this video helped you guys learn how to do a fake silent shot, please like and subscribe. All my socials are going to be down low in the description. Thank you again. Have a good day. This is how you guys do the fake silent shot.